This is StormLockPicks versus the Master 175 padlock. It's a combination padlock. It's used everywhere. You can change the combination if you have that little key, but you can't actually use that key to determine the old combination. You put in the combination to press it and release it and it'll spring open. I have no idea what the proper combination is. We're going to take this StormLockPicks 1E. It's a hook, a really small hook. And I'm just going to apply pressure to the shackle. Stick it in this third wheel here. Come over to the side and kind of apply a little pressure kind of at a downward angle. I'm going in and I'm pushing down like that towards the second wheel. Did you hear that click? That's what I'm looking for. You press down and instead of letting it slip off and click, you just release the shackle. I slipped off and made that click, but the second time I just released the shackle and this thing pops right open. We can do it again for you. Zoom out a little bit. Apply pressure and then there it is, open. Master 175 combination padlock, open with the StormLockPicks 1E hook pick. Not even bent. A lot of lockpicks can't do that bypass because they'll bend, but this one's plenty strong enough to do that without bending. Thanks for watching.